You may have heard the term HACCP frequently lately, your buyers mention it, and your inspectors reference it. You might have even searched for it online, only to be overwhelmed by complex regulations. Now you're left wondering, do I really need this? What does it even mean? I'm Felicia Liu, a lead HACCP instructor and consultant, and I've spent years helping food manufacturers like you navigate through these questions. Let's simplify it. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. However, rather than focusing on the acronym, think about it in practical terms. HACCP involves examining your entire production process, from the moment ingredients arrive to when the finished product leaves the facility, identifying points where things could go wrong, potentially leading to illnesses. The goal is to implement controls that prevent any issues from arising. At its core, HACCP is not about creating endless paperwork or merely checking compliance boxes. It's about recognizing where risks exist in your processes and demonstrating that you effectively manage them. Now, you may ask, why should this matter to you? Firstly, your buyers care. If you're selling to retailers, distributors, or food service companies, many will inquire if you have a HACCP plan. If the answer is no, the conversation is likely to end quickly. Secondly, regulatory bodies care. Whether you're dealing with the CFIA in Canada or the FDA in the United States, HACCP principles are integrated into the regulations you're already obligated to follow. Your preventive control plan and food safety plan are fundamentally based on HACCP principles. Finally, and perhaps most crucially, HACCP protects your business. A product recall can devastate your operations, and a serious customer complaint can result in losing contracts you've worked hard to establish. HACCP is an essential tool to help you stay ahead of these risks. This week, I invite you to take a simple action: walk your production floor. Honestly assess if you truly know where the greatest risks lie in your processes, not the risks you identified 2 years ago, but the current ones. If you can't pinpoint them, that's a clear signal that it's time for a closer look. I've created a complimentary guide titled HACCP Certification Within 4 Months. This resource outlines the entire journey, helping you understand what to expect and how to prepare. You can find the guide linked in the video description. For more straightforward discussions about food safety, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm looking forward to connecting with you again soon.